Al-Fatih. Good morning. Give me 1 second, guys. Good morning.
You want.
What is happening here? Without
I'm the teacher of the auditorium, ma'am.
Oh my gosh.
why you are going to the auditorium?
Bro, I can see his spider.
I see this last time. The last auditorium.
Go to auditorium.
Don't go to auditorium. Like,
I will show you who is the things. I'm the teacher. Where?
where are you?
Wall. Aishan is also supposed to be the teacher.
Address.
You're not there as teacher.
Yeah.
But okay, go to stream. Go to stream normal auditorium.
Wow, Milan is there. Al-Fatih is there. Iman is there.
Yeah, everybody is almost
Teachers are
there. Press auditorium again. People.
So,
Let's see who the. You can give links. You can repost.
I can add link. I can do anything.
okay, Laser, come out from there. I have few doubts. I have something to ask you guys. First of all, Laser, you're coming to sports day, right? November 30th?
Sports. What sports?
Our sports day, November 30th.
I don't know what is sports. Can you tell me?
There are more teachers than students. That's
Haya,
right.
come back here. Come back to the class. I have few things to ask you. See, November 30th, you're having sports day. I told earlier, right? Do you remember?
What sport? I'm saying football
Everything
or
will be there.
basketball.
You get the list. You get the list of items. Maybe athletics will be there. Team events will
Do
be
I
there.
have to go outside in India?
Where are you right now?
India.
Okay, Lazel is in India. Al-Fatih is also in India, right? Okay, what about Haya?
I'm in UAE.
You're in UAE.
Yes.
Where in UAE?
I am in Abu Dhabi, Alain.
Abu Dhabi?
Alain.
Lane, okay. Because I am writing the places. So you'll be coming, right, Haya?
Yeah.
The sports day is in Dubai. Venue, I am not sure. They will let us know within few days.
In Dubai. Okay.
Dubai.
Dubai is so okay because my dad works there. So like he moves morning from here to there at like 6 o'clock.
That's nice. So Haya is
So-
coming for sure. What about Amira? Where are you right now? I'm also
Oh.
in India.
How did Amila come here?
She just joined us. Amila?
She's in Saudi. Yes.
Where in Saudi?
I'm in Saudi. Jizan.
Jizan. Okay.
I don't know the places like
Even I don't know most of the places. I'm in India, guys. But we will figure it out. So don't worry. Laser, I like the sweatshirt. It's nice.
If you want, I can open the map. Here looks like he's a joker, yeah?
Okay, Al-Fatih, let's do one thing. Find out the distance from Saudi.
Saudi to?
Dubai. Let's find out how many hours it is there.
Can I also do?
What's the difference? He's sharing. Haya,
What's
he's sharing.
the... I'm not sharing.
One person is in Haya. You don't have to search. Al-Fatih is already.
Please. What's the difference? How much distance is Dubai to UAE? It's 140 kilometers. That's a lot. Oh wait, it says 140 kilometers to drive to Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
So you can take a plane if you want.
Amira, you won't be coming, right?
I don't know.
Have you talked to your parents? Is there any way you can attend? It's in Dubai.
I know to ask. Look how hard it's.
Sure. I just want to list
How
out
much
those who are coming
distance
from our
is
class.
Dubai to UAE? Dubai to UAE? What?
Okay, they got the wrong list. They said Al-Fatih is coming, so I need to change that. Ishan-
Ma'am, it's wrong. The first one is wrong. It's 2.8 283.0 kilometers.
But you search Dubai to UAE.
3 hours by car.
3 hours.
They said 3
But
hours.
you search Dubai to UAE, not Saudi.
Ah, you have to
Saudi.
search Saudi. Search Saudi.
Okay.
No, just instead
So
there, Dubai is written.
in flight is it's 868 to 907. But you can come by car
Please
actually.
turn on your camera first of all.
Ma'am, it's too far for Amila.
We are not coming.
Too far.
That is decided.
It's 11 hours, 33 meters, 1029 kilometers.
Okay, I understood. Okay. Al-Fatih, you can stop sharing. So 4 are there. Amila, please turn on your camera. We need
Okay.
to see faces in the morning.
Okay.
Why are you sleepy? Why are you sleepy? What happened, Aya? Did you sleep yesterday?
But then why didn't people come? I'm asking why are we the like
Aya
only
looks like a
good
zombie
people?
today. I'm going to eat you up. It's a pink, cute little zombie.
No, it's Stitch.
Ah, it's that alien which landed. I remember the story.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
remember the name.
Lilo and
Lilo
Stitch.
and Stitch a few days ago.
Few days ago.
I
No,
just watched
Lilo
that
and
a
still
few
watching
days ago.
Miraculous Ladybug. No out. Only K-pop demon hunters and Miraculous Ladybug.
How is
Not it.
everyone doing today, by the way?
Nothing.
How are you doing? Like, are you
Good.
good? Are you not
Good.
good?
There's no
Laser
one
is
in
doing
the
something
house.
else. You can see in his eyes. See?
Ma'am,
Laser,
I'm the only one awake in my house.
what happened to the others?
Sleeping.
Wake them
Where
up.
is the boys? We don't need. Me too. Me too. I'm the only one awake here. My mother and my baby is sleeping.
Oh.
I am not the only one is here. My dad is here. My sister is here, but my mom is sleeping.
My brother, my cousin, elder cousin, brother, and sister are in school.
I'll tell you one. There's no one here. There's only me.
Yeah, my father is here.
Let's do one thing. We will go and wake up all the sleepy heads.
No,
My home, there's no one
Don't do
sleeping.
that.
Everybody.
Laser, who's that?
If I do that, my mother. That is bad. That is bad thing.
Yeah, it's kind of. Laser, I have to talk to your parents because I met Hayas, I met Amilas, I met Al Fatih. We are remaining here. Okay?
And why isn't the others joining? I invited Barira, but not coming.
invite somebody else.
I'm gonna invite Barira.
Math time. Laser, did you inform to your
I'm
parents regarding the
gonna
meeting?
invite.
Let them know.
What?
Did you inform about the meeting?
I will beg my dad in her in
You're
his
supposed to inform. Why did you inform?
son.
Okay, people,
I
bye. Haya, don't
still
type. Now focus on class. Bye bye, everyone. Have a good day. Bye, Amina.
I is thinking of